Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Fidelity Health Savings account. Alright, if you've been wondering how to set up a Fidelity Health Savings account, then this video is definitely for you. It's going to be a really quick one. I'm just going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get straight into the video. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Fidelity account. You can do that online on the Fidelity website, or you could do so through a mobile app on your mobile device. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on investment products, and then you want to select HSA. Now you're going to initiate the HSA setup process and go through that, and also provide the required information. That's going to include your health insurance details, and then you're going to choose the HSA options. And after you confirm the HSA detail, it's going to be set up and you can monitor the HSA activity. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a Fidelity Health Savings account. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.